Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by designing a realistic study calendar. Plan study blocks of 50 minutes with 10 15-minute breaks and one longer 60-90-minute review each day. Assign subjects by organ system and set weekly goals like 30 hours of focused study and 80% active recall coverage for high-yield topics. Create a staggered schedule covering organ systems over 6-8 weeks with daily micro-goals. Reserve mornings for new learning and evenings for consolidation using spaced repetition and mixed practice. Focus on active learning. Use active recall with flashcards and retrieval practice for at least 2 sessions daily, totaling 60-90 minutes, rather than passive rereading. Supplement with practice questions, aim for 40-80 mixed questions per session, and spend 20-30 minutes immediately reviewing explanations and consolidating missed concepts. Incorporate peer teaching or explaining aloud for 10-20 minutes to deepen understanding. Diagram pathways and write mini-cases to link physiology to clinical presentation and reveal weak areas needing spaced repetition. In exam week, simulate exam conditions with full-length tests using 16:9 screen format and strict timing. Review marked items afterward for targeted corrections. Limit caffeine to 1 or 2 servings and prioritize 7-8 hours of sleep each night before exams. Schedule light exercise and breathing breaks to reduce anxiety. The day before, use focused 25-50-minute review blocks. Avoid introducing new topics, and prepare quick nutrition like 30-40 g protein snacks, water, and check logistics for exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.